All right, well, thank you, everybody, for sticking this out. We're going to take just a few minutes before we send you all home. I just want to make sure that if there are any other unasked questions, please air them. And also what I'd like to ask is just one question of you. And it's really to get your advice. So those of you who live in communities, serve communities that are disproportionately impacted by childhood obesity, access to unhealthy foods, decreased access to places to play and exercise. What are the things that an institute like ours can contribute? We can bring evaluation, research, education, collaboration with other partners across Rutgers. What are the kinds of things that your communities really need? Any thoughts on that you could share with us? What's most important to you and the people you serve? All right, well, maybe we'll have a short conversation. All right.
So I'm so glad that I was invited to this symposium, but I'm just wondering, Dr. Kroll, does the symposium, would you ever consider giving a presentation at a school for the parents and talk about what's going on?
Absolutely. That's something that I think anybody at the New Jersey Healthy Kids Initiative, at the Institute for Food, Nutrition, and Health could do. That's part of our mission is education. I think that's something that can be easily done by a variety of members of the Rutgers community, not just in IFNH. But yeah, absolutely. That's something that I think we have, as a state institution, I think we have a responsibility to do. Thank you. Any other questions, suggestions? Yes, please.
I'm part of a coalition in the city of Elizabeth. So who would we invite to talk to our coalition members to brainstorm about ways that we can collaborate?
I think any member of the New Jersey Healthy Kids Initiative, any member of the New Jersey Institute for Food, Nutrition, and Health, you can contact me, and I'll put you in touch with the right person. Happy to do that. I know some of our colleagues in some other departments do some work in Elizabeth. In fact, I was at a meeting. Where was that meeting that we went to? SNEB. Where was that? New Orleans. I was at a meeting in New Orleans, and I discovered another person from Rutgers talking about work that they were doing in Elizabeth. Maybe Minnesota. One of the two. New Orleans, Minnesota. They both have football teams. Yeah.
I was probably Karen.
Yeah. So
Karen Ensley. It was probably Karen Ensley.
Yes. So,
she's on our coalition.
Yeah, absolutely. So we have some great partners at Rutgers that are doing great work, but we'd be happy to help out in any way we can. We'd love to partner.
Great.
Any other thoughts? Any other questions? Otherwise, you've stuck with us to the end. I wish I had more food to give you, but you probably had so much food, you need not anymore. Thank you so much. Please fill out an evaluation for us. We really want to learn how to improve, what's most valuable to you. Keep in mind, this is the first of 5 symposia. We're having another one in the spring. We're focusing this a lot on nutrition education. So we'll be sending information out about that as soon as we have more about our speakers. It's going to be another great group of speakers. If we hold it here, I mean, I'm hoping that we have twice as many people at this next one. We won't be able to hold it here, but maybe we can still get Harvest to cater for us because we just love this food. You're always welcome to come by. We'd be happy if you didn't get a chance to tour the building. We'd be happy to give you a tour. Please stay in touch with us. We really want to get connected to you, to community members. We want to learn from you. We enter this with a lot of humility because many of you are on the ground in the communities doing this kind of work day in, day out. But we want to learn from you. We want to help you in any way we can. And so I'm so glad to see that the sun was out today, and I would hope that the driving is great on the way back. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.